Hello, welcome to Faithful Media Tech. Today we are going to look at absolute versus relative cell referencing in Excel. When to apply them, how to apply them, and understanding the basic behind it. Because we discovered that most people don't know how to use it in Excel, and at the end of the day they mess up with their calculation. So first of all, what is relative cell referencing? By default, all cell references are relative references. When you copied a formula across multiple cells, they change based on relative cell references or position of rows and columns. For example, if you copy a formula that is A1 plus B1 from row 1 to row 2, the formula will change or become B2 plus B3. Plus C3, or A2 plus A2, based on how you copy the formula. So this is how relative cell referencing work in Excel. What about absolute cell referencing? An absolute cell reference is a cell address that contains a $sign in a row or column coordinate, or both. When you enter a cell reference in the formula, Excel assumes it's a relative. So by the time you apply this $sign to the formula, Excel knows that was absolute cell references, and that by that time you are telling Excel that, okay, look up to the value on either left or right, or look both left and right, then apply it to my formula as I copy it down. That is how it works in Excel. So you're going to look at it, and then the steps you can take to tell Excel how to execute your command, your data in Excel. So I'll put our sum function here and add these two cells together. So if I copy these two cells together down like this, if you can see, I'm having 0 here. I don't have anything there. So let's look at exactly what relative cell reference is in Excel. So if I double click on this place to show you that this formula is relative, is on a straight line to the formula cell. Look at the second one. If you look at it, everything is straight on the cell line together. The formula, the cell I'm referencing to and having my calculation from. So it's telling you now that this is relative cell referencing in Excel. The same thing down to the last one. So assuming I'm working on the data, it will add everything in these two columns or rows together in Excel and then give you the result on the right hand side. Let's look at our absolute cell reference in Excel. Sum function again. This cell plus this. Okay, now this time around I'm going to add a $sign to F12. So I'll come here, and now for you to add a $sign to your cell in Excel, if you are using normal keyboard, you can just press your F4 function key on your keyboard and to add it. But if you are using this modern laptop, press your Fn key plus your F4, that is function key on your system, and then you will get it. So now I've added the $sign to the cell. So if I copy the formula down to this side, let's look at what is happening here now. If you look at the second, only the first one, okay, look at the first one. Only the first one is added together because it's the basic and the very initial one. But what about the second one? I'm telling you, I said that, okay, anything in E12 or E13, from E13 down, add it to what we have in F12. So if I put 12 here and put 12 here, I'll get 24, and everything here is 12, and put 2, I have 24, right? So I have only 24 here. So if I put another one here, 12, and I put 12 again, so look at what is happening. It's still giving me 24, 24. Okay, I put 12, 12. So if I double click, it's adding this 12 to this 12, and this 2 and this other one is not working. Okay, let me change this 12 to 6. Okay, Now you can see now that the 24 remain constant because it's adding this one to this one. Alright, now let's go to our data here and look at what we have in the table. I have sales rep, monthly commission, total monthly pay, and holiday bonus. So what I want to do now in this very particular cells, I want to add this holiday bonus to monthly commission. So remember, with relative cell referencing, if I do it, I will get a wrong result. For example, equal to sum, then this cell plus this cell with relative cell referencing. And if I'm working with a large data and I just drag this thing down to this place, I will get the wrong result because it's looking up to this value and there's nothing here, there's nothing here, and it's returning only this value here as the result in this very particular monthly pay. So how am I going to rectify this now? I need to add a $sign, that is, make it absolute cell reference. So if I copy it down again to this side, it's adding everything together. So 10,900 plus 500 is giving you 11,400. 2,500 plus 500 is giving you 3,000. So you can see everything is working perfectly. Instead of me to get result from here, which was as the first one, now I'm getting the correct result. So I believe now you understand how to make use of absolute cell references and relative cell referencing in Excel. Remember, you can add it if you're looking for both left and right. You can decide to add make both left and right of your cell absolute cell referencing and relative cell referencing. That is how this works in Excel. And in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you another method or advanced method of absolute and relative cell referencing in Excel. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.